Machining material via turning is one of the oldest forms of machining in existence. Over time, this process of removing material has advanced, and so have the machines used in the process. With this advancement, there has been a need to improve the efficiency of the turning process and their machines. In 2025, CAMWorks can now represent and program most of these advancements. So let's see how this works inside of CAMWorks 2025. Manufacturing industries in North America have seen an increase in the use of advanced mill turn machines. To meet the need for programming these machines, CAMWorks 2025 has introduced a new shape to your fixture definition. Added to your machine definition is a new shape for a cullet. The cullet will represent the guide bushing, which holds the piece of bar stock stable as the part is being machined. This better represents how these new machines are holding on to the stock. If a guide bushing is used on the machine, typically that process allows the bar stock to slide in and out of that guide bushing to continue to provide that stability as the part is being turned. But because of that new use of the sliding stock within the bushing, we need to make sure that there are no burrs on the stock as it slides in and out of the ID of the cullet. Added to 2025 is an option to add a back chamfer. Now, every operation inside of CAMWorks 2025 for your turning or your mill turn machines have the ability to add a back chamfer automatically, even if it wasn't part of the original design. This allows the programmer to add an additional functionality to make sure there are no burrs on the OD of the stock as it slides in and out of that bushing. Lastly, on these more advanced machines, you have a main spindle and a sub spindle, possibly an upper turret and a lower turret. The combination of these different sides and orientations of your part and your machines and your tools requires the programmer to keep track of all of that in one program. To make it a lot easier to see what is happening on the main spindle versus what's happening on the sub spindle, or what's happening at the same time, introduced in 2025 is a new Spindle View inside of the Sync Manager. Now what we can do is program our part complete, operations on the main and the sub, and then come to this window here where we can see which ones we like to happen at which times, which ones we'd like to start and wait for the other ones to finish. This gives you a full capability of looking at it from the point of view of the spindles. Now you can further synchronize your operations using the Sync Manager so you can see which side is being worked on the main versus the sub, as well as controlling the timing of those operations as well, so that a group of operations can occur on the main spindle while the sub spindle only has one operation happening at a time. To learn more about the mill turn module inside of CAMWorks, consider taking a look at our course on CAMWorks Mill Turn, which covers all the functions and toolpaths for programming your parts. If you're interested in discovering what else is new in this year's version, be sure to explore the rest of the series for more information on enhancements to user interface, machine simulation, mill turn enhancements, and more. Thanks for watching What's New in CAMWorks 2025.